Welcome back to Saravji. In this video, I'll be exploring what data science is. I get asked a lot of questions around the topic of data science. In order to be able to answer those, we first need to explore what is data science. First off, there are a lot of answers for this already and many more opinions. So let's start with the definition from Wikipedia. Data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from noisy, structured, and unstructured data and apply knowledge and actionable insights from data across a broad range of application domains. Data science is related to data mining, machine learning, and big data. Okay, so really, what does this mean in English and in short? Simple. Data science brings information in data to light and makes it actionable. So here's my high-level take. Data science is a discipline in the tech field, but not as well established as others in the industry. Consequently, the roles, responsibilities, and qualifications are not as well standardized or even understood as, for example, in software engineering. As for what data science is, I'd like to start with differentiating it with data analytics. While data analytics uses data to measure performance relative to an understood business model, data science uses data to verify that the business model or its understanding is correct. Data analytics uses existing data for ad hoc analysis to understand recent events, while data science works on anticipating events. Data analytics uses historical data to explain trends, while data science works on using these trends to create forecasts and increase forecast accuracy. While data analytics concentrates on using existing data and creating dashboards or ad hoc analysis, data science is more overarching, starting with curating and collecting data to exploratory analysis, creating and refining forecasts, and ongoing monitoring of these forecasts. Data science is neither magic nor black art. It's simply based on math. Every machine learning algorithm is tuned to the characteristics of known data in order to predict a target based on given and understood characteristics. There are multiple flavors in data scientists. These depend on which part of the data science pipeline a particular role focuses and or what specialized techniques or algorithms are being used. So in general terms, a data science pipeline looks like this. Different components from this graph are in any data science pipeline. There are different emphasis on there, but in general terms, this is what data science and the data science pipeline encompasses. It would be too exhaustive to go even into the major types of data scientists in this video. Perhaps a couple of examples to demonstrate the interactions and how wide the field actually can be. Let's assume a data science project situated at a bank, and that project assists in evaluating credit risks. In this case, the transparency constraints inform which models can be or can't be selected. Another example could be a pipeline situated in a social media setting, programming and deciding which ads to display. The first consideration here is the time to result. On a social media platform, these decisions need to be made at scale in milliseconds. This time to result constraint informs the strategy selection, which in turn informs data engineering, model and feature selection, scoring function, deployment decisions, monitoring, and retraining. So, starting from given constraints or requirements, a lot of decisions have to be made what is possible and what can't be used. Another example could be how the political environment within an organization or department influences the objective. It can hamper or dictate the complete approach to data science. Instead of letting the data and the out of the data learned guide and inform the data science approach, an approach might be dictated to achieve an envisioned result. I'm not judging or scoring these examples, just exemplifying the potential interactivity in the above chart and how details in the one area dictate what parts of other areas actually can be used or made impossible. So in short, data science is at this time a term used to catch a lot of very distinct, very different, and dependent on the context functions. What data science means for a specific organization or team or job description is one of the exploration points when evaluating job positions or a company or a project or data scientists' profiles. In summary, data science as it is being used these days is a collection of different functions that describe the process of getting and extracting data, preparing data, exploring and analyzing data, using past data to inform prediction models, and making these predictive models generate an output that creates value. How this looks in detail is dependent on many factors and constraints, which are in turn very dependent on the company or project that we're talking about. I appreciate you dropping by. Please subscribe. I'm done here. Fire to that.